So how does Evodia impact the liver or affect the liver? This is a terrific question. And so let's just get clear on our plant. We're talking about Evodia rutacarpa, sometimes called rhytocarpa, sometimes called tetradium rutacarpa. Those are all the same plant, names interchange. There's a Korean variety. This plant is native to China and Korea. That is Tetradium danieli, sometimes called BB tree. Very similar properties, so I want you to know about that. And this is a plant that's very commonly used for GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, heartburn, just acid reflux, all kinds of digestive disorders, right? What we call rebellious qi. This is this idea that, when you eat, you're supposed to have your foods go down and out of your body and the energy circulating properly around the body. Well, if the liver gets all tensed up and starts to push over onto the earth element, the stomach and spleen, you can start to get disruption in your digestive system. You get bloating, you get gas, you get vomiting, especially like vomiting with clear fluid, acid reflux, all these kinds of things. And Evodia is a hot herb that warms the interior. I love that, warms the interior. So when there's too much cold and things are starting to get stagnant, right? And the liver is responsible for the free flow of qi in the body. And Evodia helps with the spleen function of transforming and transporting all this nutrient that comes into your stomach through foods and beverage and combining it with the lung and circulating the fluids through the body, right? So you can see how these systems dance together. So that's one of the big ways. Evodia in and of itself is not a liver tonifying herb, say the way milk thistle might be, right? This is an herb that supports the liver function because it so powerfully comes in and helps regulate and warm the earth and spleen, right? So there's also a compound that you may hear about that's found in Evodia. It's called rutacarpine, right? You can see the botanical name, right? It's pulled from that. And this compound within the plant and all the other compounds that are found there, we go into this in detail in our Healing Herb Health session on Evodia, but isolated, it's toxic to the liver, big time. In the plant, oh my gosh, it's one of the big reasons that it's so supportive of heart health. Helps relax the blood vessels. It helps prevent clotting. It helps regulate blood pressure, right? You can see all this circulatory capacity from this compound. But I want you to be aware of that because you may hear of that and think, oh, maybe this isn't good for me. In the proper doses with the right herbs, this is a fabulous herb. And I really hope you'll connect with me in the Healing Herb Health session to find out more about how to be using it, what to be blending it with, and how to take advantage of this amazing plant's capabilities for such a wide range of healing attributes, from GERD and acid reflux and digestive issues to heart issues, because of weak digestion, you're going to get heart issues. You're going to start to have dementias. This herb comes in and helps with a lot of these elements. Find out why it's been used for over 2,000 years and effectively and safely.